Hi, this is the working space of Wrike. We can create a couple of projects in different categories. And this is one sample I played, that is DevTech event. We can define our customer columns, for example, the geo, the activity type with the drop-down type. So we can have the start date, due date for the event. We also have the option to set the attendees of this event. So this is just one member. We can add one more member in this event. So in Wrike, you can have the Gantt chart. You can see the whole picture of the event. You can upload the files, and one feature that is much useful to us, we can see the individual activities engagement in the specific date area. We can scroll right, we can scroll left to see more range or previous month's activities of the individual. Okay, so we have can also have to generate report with the specific condition. I have enclosed another YouTube video in the email. You can take a look, and you can set the weekly report and send the statistic of the projects and the events to the email. Okay, so one thing I was working took me much time is how we can synchronize the records of Wrike with Canada. You can see now my Canada is empty and Canada Outlook. So we can a new task from Wrike. So it will trigger the webhook and send a notification to the Outlook and generate the item here in Outlook Canada. But because we also need to trigger the event from Canada to Wrike, so as my code will check if the last activity is completed. If not, it will not do anything more. So we need to wait a little while because the event of the Canada will take a few seconds. Okay. So after it is finished, we can continue to edit. For example, we can continue to set the specific date. So 22. So you can see this event will move to 22 automatically. So of course we can also delete record from Wrike. So we need to wait a moment. As I said, we need to wait. The callback event from Canada is finished. So otherwise, it will not. We can discuss further about the best design, but at this moment, I just set the condition. Okay, so now we can delete the task, and accordingly, you can see the task is deleted from the Outlook automatically. So similarly, we can also create task here in Outlook. Save it. It will trigger the event of the Outlook and create a new item in Wrike. So it might take a little while because as I said, the trigger of the Outlook is not prompt. So we might need to, yeah, here you can see it appeared, this item. Okay, so of course we can also do some modification. For example, we change to this date. This date, yeah. So let me take a look. Yeah, it is done. So this is changed in Outlook. Wait a moment. Sometimes we need to refresh. You can take a look. Not yet. So anyway, just to give you an idea that how to synchronize. Yeah. Not yet. Okay, I think it should be done. Okay, yeah, done. Because it takes time. Okay, 22, 24. Okay.